YouTube's on. Court call, State of Texas versus Jeremiah Reyna. This is cause number 2024 CC 737106. We're here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We are live streaming the proceedings, so it is open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in the Bexar County Jail Court, and specifically for County Court Law number 6. And if we could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Ian Carranza for the state.
Danielle Cranberg for the defense.
Sir, are you the same Jeremiah Reyna charged by information with the offense of driving while licensed invalid? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you a document. It's called the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. And I'm using my cursor to circle around an electronic signature. Is this your signature, sir?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're telling me two things. One, you understand that normally we do pleas live in an open court, but you're consenting to do this by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all the other electronic signatures in the packet in front of me today, you're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. So I'm scrolling down to another document. It's 2 pages. It's called the court's admonishments. Are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 is a signature. I'm using my cursor to circle around. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to turn off share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
The right you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is Class B misdemeanor, up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
Approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments and make them a part of the record. And state, can you list for me what is the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. $0 fine, court costs, 9 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Sir, is that your understanding of your plea bargain? Did you answer? I didn't hear an answer, sir. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, sir? Mr. Reyna, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, sir?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, is that your understanding as well?
It is, Your Honor.
Sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No, Your Honor.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and we'll proceed to trials if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status.
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual or rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
I do, Your Honor.
You believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
I do, Your Honor.
You believe he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
I do, Your Honor.
Sir, to the offense that's listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
You understand you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes, sir.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, sir.
Anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, sir.
You're going over this case with your attorney. Do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, sir.
Find that the plea is freely, intelligently, and voluntarily made, that you're mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find you guilty, sir. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
There being no legal reason, in accordance with the agreement with the state, sir, Sent you to 9 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served. There's a $0 fine. The court costs, time and money are run concurrent, and this is judgment satisfied. Sir, this is a plea bargain case. I filed a plea bargain, so you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record, and will provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state.
Nothing from defense, Your Honor. Thank you.
The matter is concluded, and we're turning off YouTube Live.